Alright, so whenever possible I like to use the rivets. Um, this is great. Um, so got the red, white, orange, all kinds. Let's grab a few. And what they had, now this is, again, this is a Berrett Jackson car. They have these self-tappers. Look how ugly that is. It's terrible. They had self-tappers going right in to the bottom of the radiator. And they're actually touching the radiator, not poking through the tank and not touching the tank, but the guard and the bottom of the fins is touching that. So we're gonna pop rivet those in place and see if we can clean things up a little.